Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down how researchers test AI against the massive human benchmarks like studies comparing AI with more than 100,000 humans. So this sounds unbelievable, but the process is actually very structured. So first of all, define what you want to measure. AI is not tested in a vague way. Researchers choose a specific ability, for example, creativity, reasoning, language skills, and problem solving. In large creativity studies, scientists often use standardized psychological tests. So, one example is a task where the participants must generate the unrelated words. The idea is simple: more diverse and unusual associations usually indicate the stronger divergent thinking. So both the human and the AI receive identical instructions. This is critical. Without consistency, comparisons become meaningless. So researchers don't test 100,000 people manually. Instead, they rely on the large participants pools gathered through the online platforms, academic data sets, and the long-term studies. So this creates a reliable human baseline. AI outputs can change depending on the parameters. For fair testing, and the researchers standardize the things like randomness levels, prompt structure, and the generation constraints. So if we talk about the measure objective metrics, instead of the opinions, scientists are using scoring system. For example, they may analyze how statistically unrealistic or unrelated the generated words are. So this removes the biasness. The goal isn't just AI versus one human, it's AI performance versus the human average and human extremes. Interestingly, the studies often shows AI outperforming the average human, while top human performers still lead in the originality. So outperforming human in one narrow task doesn't mean AI is more creative than humans overall. It simply means AI is strong at the specific measurements. So if this video helped you understand how AI versus human benchmarking works, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.